My favorite part about being here has been the people that I've been able to meet. Yeah, people all over the city who are doing really good work.
Right now, we are at
Giordano's
in Chicago to get a good deep dish pizza. It's gonna take 40 to 45 minutes for them to cook, but I think it'll be worth the wait.
Again, if you cannot board, there is a train behind me.
For real, let me out. I'm getting out.
Closing. Doors closing.
Stop. Somebody coming out. Seriously. Out. Seriously, please.
So after a pretty kick-ass deep dish pizza, we had to get back to get a new sticker on the car so that Matt doesn't get a ticket, which would be a shared ticket because, yeah, even though it's Matt's car, it still sucks for both of us. Anyways, it was weird to get on a train underground and then get off of it above the city. Like, not even just on the ground, but like actually a few meters above. Kind of cool. So we just came from Wormhole in Chicago, an 80s themed coffee shop, which usually a themed coffee shop means you're sacrificing the quality of coffee, but we were pleasantly surprised. It was definitely a good place to get a cup of coffee also in Chicago. It is 6 a.m. Chicago time, and we are hoping to be in Denver at 9 p.m. Denver time, so we got a long day of driving ahead of us. We'll see how it goes. Bye, Jamin. Thanks for showing us around Chicago. You ready? Thanks again. Tell your host family we said thanks. It was a very comfortable stay, and we'll see you on the West Coast.